In a cozy kitchen town compound throughout, all the foods live together on neat wooden shelves. One morning, the mayor, Mr. Rice, wise and dependent, announced exciting news.
Friends, we are having a great potluck feast tonight. Everyone must bring their best dish.
The first year. Well, almost everyone. Thursday puffed out his chest.
Obviously, I'll be the star. Strong, rich, and powerful. That's me.
And now Lady Lotus folded her lefty arms.
Power isn't everything. I'm fresh, light, and healthy. People need me.
While Princess Cupcake twirled her frosting crown.
And what about happiness? I bring joy. No one smiles without dessert.
Lemon sighed from the corner.
No one likes me unless they need a little sour.
As evening came, the potluck began, but something was wrong. Sir Stick sat alone, too heavy to eat by himself. And Lady Lotus felt plain without flavor. And now Princess Cupcake was too sweet after just one bite. And Lemon still untouched. Then Chef Soup, a warm and kind person, had an idea.
What if we try together?
Stick giant lettuce in a salad. Lemon added zest and balance. Rice brought everyone together in one big bowl. And Cupcake? She waited patiently to finish the meal with joy. The kitchen filled with happy clings and laughter. The feast was perfect, not because of one food, but because everyone had a role.
Lemon smiled for the first time that day. The end.